In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from your Meego app. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to stop them, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, just go to your app and then long press on it on your smartphone and then choose app info. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, scroll down and then go to the permissions section and look for notifications. As you can see, we have all these notifications turned on, ranging from vibration and play sound notifications, also floating notifications, just to mention a few, as well as lock screen notifications. Now, instead of turning off one by one, just go ahead and turn off show notification here by toggling it off, and this will turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications or alert from this app unless you go ahead and turn them on again. So that's how you can permanently turn off alerts or notifications from Meego app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.